Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one coin from my collection. So let's start. This is a Colonial Era coin belonging to the British India Empire, also known as British Raj. The ruler under which it was struck was King George V. As you can see, the denomination of this coin is 1/4 anna. The year is 1927. It is a bronze coin. The green element which you see on the top of it is called as patina. On the back of it, it has the portrait of King George V. He was the son of King Edward VII and the one who succeeded him. George V, King and Emperor, is embossed on it. Thank you for watching it.